Who's going to be crowned today's King of the Hill? Godzilla? Totaled? Rhinomite? We're about to find out. And to become the true King of the Hill, the winner of today's tournament just doesn't have to beat 15 other trucks. It also has to beat our reigning king, War Machine. To be the king, you have to beat the king. First up, it's Sneakerhead versus Rhinomite. Sneakerhead advances. Rhinomite has been eliminated. Next, it's Bigfoot versus El Toro Loco. El Toro Loco advances. Bigfoot has been eliminated. Next up, it's Stormtrooper versus Totaled. Stormtrooper advances. Totaled has been eliminated. Next, it's Buzz Lightyear versus Wolf's Head. Buzz Lightyear advances. Wolf's Head has been eliminated. Next, it's Loco Punk versus Carbinator. Loco Punk advances. Carbinator has been eliminated. Next, it's Jurassic World Triceratops versus Ramblin' Wrecker. Ramblin' Wrecker advances. Triceratops has been eliminated. Next, it's Godzilla versus Captain America. Godzilla advances. Captain America has been eliminated. In our last race of the first round, it's Camaro versus Hot Wheels 1. Hot Wheels 1 advances. Camaro has been eliminated. These are the 8 trucks that advanced to round 2. In our first race of round 2, it's Sneakerhead versus El Toro Loco. El Toro Loco advances. Sneakerhead has been eliminated. Next, it's Stormtrooper versus Buzz Lightyear. Stormtrooper advances. Buzz Lightyear has been eliminated. Next, it's Loco Punk versus Ramblin' Wrecker. Ramblin' Wrecker advances. Loco Punk has been eliminated. In our last race of the second round, it's Godzilla versus Hot Wheels 1. Godzilla advances. Hot Wheels 1 has been eliminated. These are the 4 trucks that advanced to round 3. We begin round 3 with El Toro Loco versus Stormtrooper. El Toro Loco advances. Stormtrooper has been eliminated. Our third round concludes with Ramblin' Wrecker versus Godzilla. Godzilla advances. Ramblin' Wrecker has been eliminated. These are our final two trucks. One will go on to face our reigning king, War Machine. To determine who will go on to face our reigning king, War Machine, it's El Toro Loco versus Godzilla. Godzilla advances. El Toro Loco has been eliminated. Our King of the Hill final matchup. Our reigning king, War Machine versus Godzilla. By defeating our two-time defending king, War Machine, Godzilla is our new King of the Hill. I'd love to know what you thought of the race. Please leave a comment, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you next time.